السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Our subject for today is phonics. The topic is about sound of D. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of D correctly. Recognize some words that begin with the sound of D. Match pictures that begin with the sound of D and color the pictures that begin with the sound of D. Let's say the D sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter D. Repeat after me. D. What is the sound of D? The sound of D is D. D. Very good. Let's go to the next slide. This is a duck. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. Let's read. My duck. This is my duck. Let's read it again. My duck. This is my duck. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. This is a doll. D, D, doll. D, D, doll. Let's read. My doll. This is my doll. Let's read it again. My doll. This is my doll. Well done. This is a door. D, D, door. D, D, door. Let's read. My door. This is my door. Let's read it again. My door. This is my door. This is a drum. D, D, drum. D, D, drum. Let's read. My drum. This is my drum. My drum. This is my drum. Well done, everybody. This is a deer. D, D, deer. D, D, deer. Let's read. My deer. This is my deer. My deer. This is my deer. This is a dolphin. D, D, dolphin. D, D, dolphin. Let's read. My dolphin. This is my dolphin. Let's read it again. My dolphin. This is my dolphin. This is a dinosaur. D, D, dinosaur. D, D, dinosaur. Let's read. my dinosaur. This is my dinosaur. Let's read it again. My dinosaur. This is my dinosaur. Well done, everybody. Now let's match pictures that begin with the sound of D. The first picture is a dolphin. D, dolphin. D, dolphin. It starts with the D sound. So let's match it. To the sound of D. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is a cow. 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 It starts with the sound of K. With the sound of K. Letter C. Sound of K, not sound of D. So let's cross it out. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is a drum. D, drum. D, drum. It starts with the sound of D. Letter D. So let's match it. The last picture. Yes, it's a door. D, door. D, door. It starts with the sound of D. Letter D. So let's match it. Very good, everybody. Now let's say the D sound and then color the picture that starts with the D sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a coat. 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 It starts with the sound of K. Letter C. So do not color it. The next picture. Can you name this animal? Yes, it's a dinosaur. D, dinosaur. D, dinosaur. It starts with the sound of D. So let's color it. Well done, everybody. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.